Hello everyone, I am Deepika, Assistant Professor of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we are discuss about stability of cycloalkanes based on Bayer-Strain theory with its limitations. First, we define cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons in which carbon bond is directly attached by a single covalent bond to form a ring. Now we discuss about Bayer-Strain theory. Bayer-Strain theory explains the stabilities of cycloalkanes with angle strain. What is angle strain? Angle strain is the angle difference between desired angle, that is 109 degree 28 minute, and actual angle of cycloalkane. According to Bayer-Strain theory, as angle strain increase, stability decreases and the instability increases. Adolf Bayer proposed in 1885 and he got Nobel Prize for this theory in 1905. He explained the relative stability of starting few cycloalkanes. This theory is based on the fact that the normal angle between pair of a carbon atom is 109 degree 28 minute. As Bayer-Strain theory explain, stability of cycloalkanes depend upon the angle strain. Angle strain increases and stability is decreases. In cycloalkanes, the more angle strain, the more unstable. साइक्लोएल्केन्स के जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जैसे साइक्लोप्रोपेन, साइक्लोब्यूटेन, साइक्लोहेक्सेन, साइक्लोपेंटेन, जितना ज़्यादा इनका एंगल स्ट्रेन होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा हमारा जो कंपाउंड है अनस्टेबल होगा। एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं साइक्लोप्रोपेन। साइक्लोप्रोपेन का जो हमारा एक्चुअल एंगल होता है वो 60 डिग्री होता है एंड डिजायर्ड एंगल इज़ 109 डिग्री 28 मिनट। Now we calculate angle strain by formula 1/2 into 109 degree 28 minute minus 60 degree. Now after calculation we find angle strain is 24 degree 44 minute. As it is, we calculate the angle strain of cyclobutane by using same formula. Now we calculate angle strain for cyclobutane using the same formula and calculated is 0 degree 44 minute. For cyclohexane minus 5 degree 16 minute or plus 5 degree 16 minute. Now we draw a table according to their angle strain and actual angle, desired angle with their structures. Now cyclopropane having 109 degree 28 minute desired angle. Desired angle is same for all cycloalkanes. Actual angle we calculated and angle strain also we calculated and draw their structures. So according to Bayer-Strain theory, जितना ज़्यादा हमारा एंगल स्ट्रेन होगा कंपाउंड उतना ही कम स्टेबल होगा. सो वी अरेंज द cycloalkanes compound according to their angle strain. Cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane and cyclopentane. So according to Bayer-Strain theory, cyclopentane is more stable and lowest stability is cyclopropane. नेक्स्ट आती है इसकी limitations. This theory only applies on the lower cycloalkanes. Bayer's was not able to explain the effect of angle strain in larger ring system. According to Bayer, cyclopentane should be much stable than cyclohexane, but practically it is reversed. साइक्लोहेक्सेन इज़ मोर स्टेबल देन साइक्लोपेंटेन। जो बेयर स्ट्रेन थ्योरी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा साइक्लोपेंटेन जो है ज़्यादा स्टेबल आया था, लेकिन अगर हम प्रैक्टिकली बात करें तो ये उसका रिवर्स होता है। जो हमारा साइक्लोहेक्सेन होता है वो ज़्यादा स्टेबल होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू साइक्लोपेंटेन। सो हायर साइक्लोएल्केन्स आर नॉट फॉलो दिस रूल। साइक्लोहेक्सेन, साइक्लोहेप्टेन एंड more are more stables. They do not give ring opening reactions easily like cyclopropanes.